So in this question we were told if the FTSE 100 share index rises from 8,825 to 9,796, what percentage has it changed by? So this was a question that was asking us to calculate a percentage change. So if you don't quite understand how to calculate a percentage change, it's easy to break it down into simple, clear steps to help you understand the complications behind calculating a percentage change. We call this the percentage change process. We first of all start by doing the new value divided by the old value, then we subtract 1 away from that particular value. We then multiply by 100 to convert it into a percentage form, round to 2 decimal places, and that gives us our answer. So let's now do this particular process for the data that's given to us in the question. Now we know the FTSE 100 share index has risen to 9,796, so that's the new value, and it had risen from 8,825, which was the old value. We then need to divide 9,796 by the old value, 8,825, which gives us 1.1100283. Then we subtract 1 away from that to give us 0.1100283. Multiply by 100 to convert into percentage form. That's just shifting the decimal point 2 places to the right, and that gives us 11.00283%. And then all that needs to be done is round to 2 decimal places to tidy this up. So let's now go ahead with doing that. So to round up, we want to start with the furthest number away and then round from that point upwards. So we start with 3. Because 3 is below 5, we round that down, and it has no effect on the next number, which is 8. Then we have 8, which is above 5, so that rounds up, and it causes the next number in to become a 3. And finally, because 3 is below 5, it rounds down. It has no effect on the next number, which leaves us with 11.00, and in percentage form, that is 11%. So therefore, that is the correct